Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and performing a force restart. Plug the iPhone XR into power and confirm you have at least 10% battery. This prevents interruptions. Once charging, make a quick iCloud or Finder backup if the phone boots. This preserves data. Now perform a force restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears transient firmware hangs and often resolves stuck boot loops immediately. If a force restart fails, move to recovery mode and use a computer. Connect the iPhone XR to a Mac or PC with the latest iTunes or Finder. This allows software repair. Enter recovery mode. Press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until you see the recovery screen. On your computer, choose Update to reinstall iOS without erasing data. If update fails after multiple attempts, choose Restore, which erases content, so make sure you backed up beforehand. When recovery mode can't fix the Apple logo, use DFU mode to rewrite firmware. Be careful, this erases the device and is more invasive. To enter DFU, connect to the computer, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button while watching the screen go black. Then hold side and volume down for 5 seconds, release side and keep holding volume down until the computer detects a device in recovery. If DFU fails, inspect for hardware issues. Swollen battery or water damage requires professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.